Hello. This video has been designed to help guide you through the process of adding an activity or a resource as an instructor. The first step I'm going to take is to go to the Turn Editing On button in the upper right-hand corner of your course. I'm going to click that button in order to add an activity or a resource. I'm now going to scroll down and I'm going to click the Add an Activity or Resource button. This provides me with some options for assignments and resources. The first activity I'm going to add is an assignment. So I click Assignment, and I am given a description of what the assignment can do in terms of adding it as an activity. I'm going to go ahead and click Add. So now this brings me to some options for the assignment. I'm going to give it a name, and I'm going to give it a description. I'm just going to say Test Assignment. Now here's an option that you should pay attention to. It's the Display Description on Course Page option. If you have a long description, you may want to leave that unchecked so the module screen doesn't have too much information on it. But if it's short enough, such as Test Assignment, or maybe a sentence or two, you can check the radio button to show the description on the module page. For now, I will leave it unchecked. Next are some time frames that you can allow the activity to be posted, and allows date that submissions may be submitted, the due date, and the cutoff date. Some of the other options you have are submission type. You have file submission, which means that students are only going to be able to upload a file, possibly a PDF document or a Microsoft Word document. You can also set online text. You can also select a submission type for online text. This allows students to upload possible hyperlinks to some multimedia you may want to view for a project. You can select one or both. I'm going to go ahead and return to the course. If I scroll down and I am done with all my settings, I click Save and Return to Course. If you would like to change the alignment of your assignment so that it is indented, click on the Edit menu and click on the Move Right option. This can be clicked multiple times. If you move too far to the right, you can click Move Left, and it will realign the activity. If I need to edit the settings of this activity, I can click the Edit menu and click Edit Settings. And we're going to talk about adding a forum. I'm already in edit mode because I have previously turned on the editing button. So, to add the forum, I would click on Add an Activity or Resource. This time, I select Forum. You have a description of what a forum is, and I'm going to click Add. The Forum Activity module enables participants to have asynchronous discussions, which means anywhere, anytime, discussions that take place over an extended period of time. So, now that I am in the forum settings, I'm just going to call this forum name Topic, and for the description, I'm going to put Discuss. Again, we have the Display Description on Course Page button. I'm going to leave that unchecked just because I don't want to have too much information on the course module section. You have the Forum Type option. We've talked about the standard forum for general use, which is an open discussion, or you can have a Q&A forum to check for understanding. I'm going to leave this as a standard forum for general use. Two key settings that you may want to look at when setting up your forum is if you want to grade the forum. We have a drop-down menu and we have a grade category. You may want to put this under discussions, depending on how your gradebook is set up. If you have any questions too, you can also click on the question mark. If you click on the question mark, you will see a description for what each setting controls. For example, the grade category setting controls the category in which this activity's grades are placed in the gradebook. Another one you want to go to is the common module settings. If you want this forum to be hidden for an extended period of time, or if you're not ready to release it yet as an instructor, but it is something that is set up for later on in the course, simply go to Hide, and you can hide the forum link, but I'm going to keep it as shown. And then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click Save and Return to Course because I'm finished with my settings. You'll see in this module that it is to the far left, and to realign it, again, I click on Edit, Move Right, and now it is aligned. This concludes the video on adding assignments and forums.